Every doctor tells you to eat more protein to build muscle after 60. But here's the truth. Without the right nutrients, your body may not even absorb that protein properly. So even if you're eating well, you could still be losing muscle every single day. And today I'll show you 7 powerful fruits that doctors say can actually support muscle growth after 60. After 60, your body naturally goes through a process called muscle loss, where muscle mass and strength slowly decline. But according to doctors and nutrition experts, this process can be slowed down and even partially reversed with the right diet. And these fruits play a surprisingly powerful role. Watch till the end, because fruit number 7 is the most effective. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more science-based health tips. Number 1, banana, muscle function plus energy balance. From a doctor's perspective, bananas are one of the best fruits for muscle support. They are rich in potassium, which helps maintain proper muscle contraction and prevents cramps, a common issue in older adults. They also provide natural carbohydrates, which act as fuel for muscle activity and recovery. Doctors often recommend bananas for seniors who experience weakness or fatigue. Number 2, orange, collagen plus muscle repair. Doctors emphasize the importance of vitamin C in muscle health, and oranges are a great source. Vitamin C helps in the production of collagen, a protein that supports not just your skin, but also your muscles, tendons, and joints. It also reduces oxidative stress, which increases with age and damages muscle cells. Number 3, watermelon, blood circulation plus oxygen supply. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which doctors link to improved blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles. This directly supports muscle recovery and endurance, especially important after 60. Number 4, berries, anti-aging muscle protection. Berries like strawberries and blueberries are rich in antioxidants, such as anthocyanins. Doctors explain that these compounds help fight inflammation and free radical damage, which are major causes of muscle breakdown and aging. This helps preserve muscle strength over time. Number 5, pineapple, inflammation control plus recovery. Pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain, which doctors often associate with reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation can slow down muscle repair, especially in older adults. By reducing this inflammation, pineapple helps muscles recover faster and reduces soreness. Number 6, mango, tissue repair plus immunity. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, both essential for tissue repair and immune function. Doctors highlight that a strong immune system is important because it helps the body recover efficiently from muscle wear and tear. This supports overall muscle maintenance. Number 7, kiwi, protein absorption, the game changer. From a medical perspective, kiwi is one of the most underrated fruits. It contains enzymes that improve digestion and protein absorption, which is critical after 60. Because no matter how much protein you eat, if your body cannot absorb it properly, muscle growth won't happen. Kiwi also provides high levels of vitamin C and E, supporting faster muscle repair. Muscle growth after 60 is not just about eating more protein. It's about giving your body the right environment to use that protein effectively. And these fruits help create that environment by improving digestion, reducing inflammation, and supporting recovery. So friends, if you or your loved ones are experiencing weakness or muscle loss, start including these fruits in your daily diet. Small changes can bring powerful results. Like this video, share it with your parents and grandparents, and subscribe to Health First for more science-based health tips.